Okay, thank you everybody for coming down to the Hyster Reach Stacker. Who is Hyster? Hyster is an American company based in Cleveland, Ohio. We're traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol HY. We employ more than 2,700 people in the Americas and more than 5,500 employees throughout the world. Hyster Company builds more than 55,000 forklifts per year just for the Americas market. We are a global leader in R&D and for the materials handling industry. We have manufacturing facilities in the United States, Mexico, Brazil, Japan, the Netherlands, Ireland, Italy, India, and China. Product support is who we are. It's not just something that we do. We focus on materials handling equipment, strictly in the counterbalance and forklift and reach stacker business. So as we talk with terminal operators, some of the things that they're asking us to focus in on is lowest total cost of ownership, intelligent design, strong partnerships, and tough trucks. And just building on some of these key items, fuel economy, eco modes and high performance modes selectable in the truck to give more towards fuel savings, automatic throttle up, which allows the operator to control precisely exactly what the truck is doing. Ergonomics, as you see, as you get a chance to come up into the cabin, the ergonomics are second to none. Simple items such as water-cooled turbos and heavy-duty cooling systems further leading to total cost of ownership. And of course, serviceability, as you see, from low-mounted battery compartments to easily removable deck plates for service access are superb. Productivity, of course, I will talk here in just a few more minutes because productivity is key. Intelligent designs, such as on-demand hydraulic systems and on-demand cooling systems, which give the operator full control of the machine and keep heat down to a minimum. And then integrated powertrain systems, such as the engine, transmission, and the drive axle, and how they integrate with one another, and they're not just simply just put together and put inside of the machine. Key terminal operators are also talking about strong partnerships. And here represented today amongst many of the crowd are many of the Hyster dealers from throughout Latin America and North America. But key partnerships mean things such as $100 million of parts inventory sitting in Danville, Illinois in the United States to support customers throughout the Americas. We run greater than 98% fill rate on parts on a first pick basis. And surveys say on all of our trucks and all of our customers, greater than 90% of customers are satisfied with the aftermarket support and the first-time quality that we deliver on our products. Going along the line with strong partners is the fact that we have more than 2,000 certified technicians throughout the Americas and more than 4,000 globally. We have more than 100 technical trainers to support customers. We have more than 100 dealerships alone just in the Americas with greater than 300 locations to support customers. And just here alone, just in Latin America, we have 18 of those dealerships represented in the crowd at the show here today. And all of that rolls up to having support from the factory as well, and we have factory technicians that are available at a moment's notice to come out and support our dealers and customers. And finally, tough trucks, from solutions such as strong steer axles to machines that are designed to work in the coldest to the hottest climates, to the most severe applications, Hyster symbolizes tough trucks. So speaking and introducing this machine that I'm standing on, so this truck is the Hyster RS 4531. Has 45 metric tons first row capacity, 31 metric tons second row capacity, and it stacks 5 high. It sits on a 6.2 meter wheelbase, which happens to be 5%, which leads into 5% shorter turning radius than most of our competition. This truck is 72.2 metric tons total weight, and it boasts the fastest lifting speeds and the fastest lowering speeds, according to technical data sheets, than any of our competition. Up to 28% in the unladen lifting speed and 22% more, which all leads into productivity. As you take a walk around the truck and you spend some time in the cabin, look at the visibility. We have industry-leading visibility, not only from the operator's perspective, but also from ground personnel perspective. And simple things such as service access, which are second to none, whether it be the deck plates on top that allow easy access, or the fact that computers are not needed to work on our trucks. A very simple display screen inside the cabin tells you an error code and allows the technicians to quickly and easily troubleshoot what's going on with the truck. We have an LMI safety system, which is standard in all Hyster reach stackers, which further prevents and protects the asset. And of course, as what anybody would expect from a Hyster lift truck, we have full parts and labor warranty on all equipment. This truck right here, this RS4531, is available in 45 to 60 day lead time for in-stock trucks, and then generally speaking about 4 to 6 months delivery time for special orders or if we're out of stock. And so finally, just some trending options that we see happening in the materials handling and really in the port business in regards to this truck or reach stackers. We are doing a lot more with 6-high stacking booms. Of course, 6-high is very much needed for terminals that are running more and more RTGs. You need support equipment on the ground that can stack 6-high. We've recently introduced a 7.5 meter wheelbase reach stacker, which is sitting on the same exact chassis except longer wheelbase, and it's mainly for the second rail or intermodal operations and barge operations. Additional options such as fire suppression systems. Customers are wanting us to provide more factory-based solutions, and fire suppression is one of those that is a further protection for the investment that customers make. Cameras and proximity detection systems. Even though the visibility is so great, camera systems and visual aid systems are becoming more and more of standard pieces of equipment. And of course, proximity detection to further protect the assets and the ground level personnel that are working. Automatic lubrication systems. Having technicians that are working on 40 or 50 different grease points around the machine is not really the most beneficial use of that technician's time, whereas having an automatic lubrication system that will grease all the points on the machine, it further maximizes durability and uptime. And then systems such as telematics, where we are not only just tracking what's going on with the machine, but we can also proactively track proactively track what's going on with the truck and see things such as bottlenecks or things that are going on in customers' operations. And finally, when it comes to actual options, Hyster trucks, as well as all of our machines, are fully customizable through our special products and engineering group to meet any application. So we thank you for your time this morning, and we invite you to please spend time with us, ask us questions. We would love to learn more about each and every one of our customers' operations and work together as strong partners with our tough trucks. Thank you.